go. Sorry. A little fitting like that.
They did that counterboard's fitting a lot better.
Oh yeah, we had to trim it down before, didn't we?
We had to do that, so. Yeah, there. It is fitting a lot better.
Yes.
Come on. Whoa. Shouldn't have slowed down. That's a good sign. We're speeding back up though.
This isn't right because I did these calculations yesterday and I was definitely getting over 5, so I must have done it but not changed it. So did you sign that custom print earlier? Yeah. I'm getting 4 stuff. That's what I think I remember doing.
Or it was just snapping off.
It's sitting right around 1200. It's not dropping though. It's staying consistent. There we go.
Snap off. That's a good thing. Usually if that tensile's bad, those things will just snap in there.
So we had about 1,045 for the Atlas.
1,045 on the Atlas part.
About 1,200 on this.
1,200 on this. Which isn't, I don't think it's that big of a, the upset load was where it should be. It
Yeah.
needs to be a little bit harder, but it shouldn't be a big issue.
What do you think if they lowered the hardness just a little bit, like went a little low on the range?
Yeah, I think they lowered the hardness just a little bit. They might be right for where they need to be.
Nope.
It's a lot better than it was.
Oh, excellent.
That's perfect.
Oh, that is excellent. All right, let's set that down here. I can get a nice look at it.
That's nice.
That is perfect.
Yep.
Very good. I'm excited about that.